Hey everybody, hi, it's me, Angry Grandpa, and I have some bad news. Unfortunately, the solar eclipse videos will not be able to come out to YouTube. Like, I won't be able to get them out on YouTube, and the reason is because man, the memory card is not reading. Like, I'm putting it on a memory card reader, and it's not doing shit, man. It's not like reading crap. Sorry for the language, but like, it's not reading crap, man. It really isn't. So the way I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna look at them through this camera, and if there's some things that you can't understand, I'm gonna try to repeat it. And I don't want to make this too long, all right? I'm gonna be watching a few videos each, and then like I'm gonna stop recording this, and then like watch a few more videos, and maybe stop again, but so it can be edited, you know, because like whenever I don't edit a video, I feel like that's when it loses views easily. Like, I don't want it to be all about the views, but look, you know what? I'm just gonna show you guys, and I know it might not be the actual thing, but I don't know when I'm gonna ever get this memory card thing straightened out, because it could be a while, and I'm already 2 days late, so I'm gonna show it right now. All right, I'm babbling. I'm gonna show you here. Just gonna show you it right now in the bedroom, and I'm gonna try not to show my face too much. So yeah, enjoy. And if you can't understand me that well, then you'll just have to try your best. Oh, I don't have the volume up all the way, so that might be the reason why. Alright, now enjoy.
So we're going to put a solar eclipse to happen, and I'm going to do the pinhole camera.
Yeah, I was testing it out.
The moon will be blocking the sun shortly. I don't know when, but they'll happen.
That's my pinhole camera.
As you can see,
See, that's the cereal box. That's the pinhole camera.
Here we go. So we're almost about to go get the eclipse. So I think I'm going to point it up with the glasses on the camera. And I'm going to try not to look at it with my bare eyes. So when it happens, I will show you. Alright.
Probably should have shown the sun already, tested it out.
Alright everybody, so we're about to see the solar eclipse. Are you ready, Dad? Dad? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm ready. We're about to see it. Alright, and we're going to use these special glasses. And we're going to have the camera pointed up, and then we're going to see it through the video. So, and we're going to have the camera block our eyes. So.
Here, hold on a second. Oh, god damn it. Give me a second, hold on. There, now I'll do it again.
Alright everybody, so we're about to see the solar eclipse. Are you ready, Dad? Dad? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm ready. We're about to see it. Alright, and we're going to use these special glasses. And we're going to have the camera pointed up, and then we're going to see it through the video. So, and we're going to have the camera block our eyes, so the sun will get in our eyes. So you ready, Dad? Yeah.
And my eyes, I mean my eyes, like me, the creator.
Okay, I mean I should do that, but alright, so we're going to get ready to see it, as long as these clouds don't keep blocking the way which they are right now. But hopefully the clouds will get out of the way on time. So we'll see, we'll catch the sun. I still think it's a planet. We'll start with that. Alright, well, anyways, so we're just about to catch the eclipse right about now. Alright, so we're catching the eclipse, and there it is. Oh gosh, it's good. It's covering halfway near the sun. Oh boy.
Yeah, it is. I don't know if you noticed it that well, but...
Get out of the way, come on. Get out of the way, you stupid clouds. Oh man, the clouds always gotta ruin everything. Why is it the bit about it? As you can see, the sun is half covered.
We should wait a little while until it's more over it.
Yeah, I guess so.
We'll see 75% coverage.
Alright, oh man, now the clouds are blocking the way. Oh, that's a bummer. Oh, wait, what? No. Alright, Dad, so I have these sunglasses on. I can't see the sun too much, but I have these sunglasses on. How about you?
Let me try it again.
Alright, Dad, so I have these sunglasses on. I can't see the sun too much, but I have these sunglasses on. How about you? Yeah, alright, we're touching the eclipse. We're wearing these special glasses. You know what? Nah, me and Junior are sharing them. We're mostly gonna catch them on the camera, and then we'll see the video of it. And I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I don't want to look at the sun now. There it is. Here, turn the camera off for me. Oh man, look at it go.
That's the glasses on the camera lens if you don't know what it is.
I have the glasses on the camera as well. Oh man, this looks pretty cool. Look at it. It looks pretty cool. Never ever look at the sun without wearing these special glasses. Oh, look at it.
Yeah, you can't see it that well, but the moon was covering the glasses. I mean, the glasses was... the moon was covering the sun, alright? Sorry. I just can't talk today.
Alright, Alright, so we're waiting until the moon gets more closer to the sun. Right, Dad? Yeah, we're waiting until it gets more closer. In the meantime, you know, I'm over playing with football with my stepdad. Well, it's his real dad, but they're playing football right now, and we're waiting for the solar eclipse to happen, alright? So when it does get near it, I'm gonna like have the camera in front of my eyes, and I'm gonna put this on the camera so I can point at the sun safely. And my original plan was using the cereal box, you know, the pinhole camera, but I don't think that's gonna work. Maybe it'll work. It looked like it was gonna work, but you know, it didn't look like it was gonna catch it. So when it gets darker, we're gonna catch it, right, Junior? Yeah, we're gonna catch it. Oh, so now you're back there. Yes, I am. All right then. So we wait. Oh, here it is. Oh wait, no, didn't happen yet. Oh man. So we're still sitting out here waiting for the eclipse, and I see a little bit of it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, here, cover.
Which glass is on before you go?
Here, turn it over.
Which glass is on before you go?
Here, turn it over. So as you can see, oh boy gosh, oh my god, there he goes.
You might not get much more than that. You might be right, Howard.
See there.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it that well, but
It's covering up the sun.
see, I don't know if you can notice it that well, but the moon is covering half of the sun.
Oh, there he comes. Here he comes. It's covering up the moon. There he goes.
See? Yeah, you notice it a little bit now. That's the moon about to cover the sun.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Go away, you stupid clowns. Go away. No. Oh, those clouds is blocking the way, I tell you. Oh, but I think I'm starting to notice a little bit of a difference. Wait, oh, there it is. There's the sun. Oh, and there's clouds. There's the moon. Oh, there it is. I see it. We wait. And there it is. Oh, look, it looks like a half moon a little bit, but it's not. Just because the moon is blocking the sun, and I have the glasses.
Almost blocking the sun.
So it looks like a half moon. Oh, go away, you cloud. Go away. It kind of looks like a sunset a little bit, you know?
Yeah, man, you know what it does, man.
Hopefully I don't wreck my vision with doing this. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I just wanted to stop recording just for a minute, but now I'm going to continue on.
Oh, wait, I didn't see the sun coming back. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna put the glasses back on. All the way on, all the way. Alright. Oh, man. Oh, but wait. I think I might be coming. Wait, what's that here? I hear something. Dad, you two might be able to catch it. Well, I don't know, Junior.
Stop. Let me play it again. Sorry about that.
Man. Oh, but wait. I think I might be coming. Wait, what's that here? I hear something. Dad, you two might be able to catch it. Well, I don't know, Junior. Still, the clouds are still up there. Oh, wait. They can see it coming. There it comes. Right to the right. Okay, you know what? Oh, there it is. Oh, there we go. Almost got it. Go away, you big cloud.
Yeah, I tell you, those clouds always a pain in the ass most of the time. Wait, let me show you guys.
Oh, man. Man, I tell you, this cloud's always gotta be blocking the way. Oh, wait, there it comes. Oh, man, oh my god. Oh, I see it, there it is. Don't go away, you stupid cloud, nobody likes you. Oh, I probably shouldn't say that. Yeah, you shouldn't say that, Junior. Oh, there it is. I see it. Oh, I see it. Stop shaking it so much. I can't help it, alright? It's what happens when I get excited. Wait, no. It's holding hard up to the camera. You know, is that right, Dad? Yeah, Junior, it is hard. Oh, man. Oh. Uh-oh. Go down, Dad. know it's not so important, but well, at least we saw a little bit of the eclipse. Right, Dad? Yeah, I guess so, Junior. All right, I'm gonna turn this off, man. All right, here we go. We're catching the sun again. Well, we're gonna sit down here. We're just gonna wait. Yeah, we're gonna wait for it. Well, everybody, tried to catch the best of the eclipse, but I wasn't really catch it that well. That's the reason why. It's because, well, the clouds, these stupid dumbass clouds. Look. These stupid ass clouds are blocking the sun, of course. Yeah, man, it's cool. It really is. Yeah. Stupid ass clouds have to block the way. So, I think the eclipse is just about done. For over here, and I'll be able to see it somewhere for another day. Only be alive then.
And let me get back to that part again. I'm trying to get a pillow.
He was only be alive then. That's how I feel for missing it. Because these stupid dumbass clouds have to block the way. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on now. Yeah, just turn it on for a minute. Alright.
Dang it.
Missing it. Because these stupid dumbass clouds have to block the way. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on now. Yeah, just turn it on for a minute.
This is going to be included.
Why is this really train stopping? I honestly have no idea, Junior.
Bye-bye, train.
There it goes, everybody. So you touch that.
I also had to change, if you notice, yes, it's a little bit different quality now. The reason I had to change is because the less of the quality, the more time there will be, because I was running out of time, like I was running out of space on this memory card.
Still on days election. Well, yeah, so we don't catch a solar eclipse, and then we can't even catch a two-train race. Oh, man. So there it is. I guess it looks like it's still blocking the sun a little bit. And I know I'm not on the best quality, but the reason why I'm not is because, well, I'm almost running out of room. So you know what? Oh, there goes the clouds. Oh, and there it is. There it is. So I think the moon's blocking the sun still. Or that's what it looks like. And I'm just trying not to wreck my vision. There it is. There it is. There's the sun.
There it is.
Now I'm on even lower quality. As you can see. Or that you can't see. But catching it as best as I can. And there it is. The moon just about blocking the sun.
See? A little bit blurry. See? If I zoom in, oh, now it's blurry. Alright. There's the double header. Seem to never put up videos that have the double header train.
quick side note, it might not be best picture quality, but all that matters is that we're touching the eclipse. Right here.
That's not even
right
going to be out there for real because stupid thing's not working.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. This is getting a suntan. Yeah, although earlier our bodies aren't changing color. Well, you know what I mean, Junior, okay?
Like I said, Will is short for Billy. Here, I'm gonna give it another break. Here, give me a second. Alright, so I'm back. I just had to give it a little break, and now we're gonna continue on.
The sun's up, it's shining pretty bright, and there it is, right up there, catching it. It looks like the moon's passing by. Let's really look at all this. Alright, I have to go back to the car now. We're about to leave. Yeah, come on, Junior, let's go. Alright, let's go. Well, for some reason it's not showing up that well in the pinhole camera, but that's the sun. And I guess it's not showing that well through the pinhole camera. You know what? This was getting a full view of it. This was trying to. Here, point it up at the sun. Well, here, put it down. Alright, you turn it off for a minute. Here, catch the sun, Junior. Alright, see now you started? Alright, oh. Everything is so complicated.
On.
It's so complicated. Set these guys down so they're not in the way.
This camera is expected to be changed, can you? No, not really.
Hold on a second. What are you doing? Try to catch it, but I can't catch it that well. Well, try your best. Keep on trying. You can see it.
Yeah, man.
Sun. No, man, now we can't see it that well. Yeah, because these clouds have to block the way. Oh, wait, I think the sun's going back out. Wait a minute, I think it's going back out. It's going back out. Oh, wait, no, now the clouds are blocking away again. Wait, are they? Yep, they pretty much are blocking away. Oh, man, that's a bummer. Well, let's wait again. Let's see if the sun comes back out. Junior, are you been looking up? No, not really. Yeah, this is the best I can do, alright? Since I don't really want to look at the sun. Wait, so now you believe that the sun is a star? Yeah, right, I believe it's a star now. Alright, now let's do the pinhole camera. Where's the sun? Where is it? It's not showing through. You guys, it's not showing through. What do you mean it's not showing through? Exactly what I meant. Oh, man, stupid clouds. Josh, you clouds, why always gotta be blocking away all the time? saw it too. Exactly what I meant. Oh, man. Man, stupid clouds. Shoot clouds. Why always gotta be blocking away all... So there's the sun. Once again. But you know what? For some reason, it's not showing so well through the pinhole camera. So you know what? Oh, wait, no. What's going on here? What's happening? No. Where's the sun? Oh, great. Hold on a second. I can't remember the last place I had it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me right now. Why is there always something happening all the time? I know, but it's always something happening. Clouds out there blocking the way. I mean, look at all the clouds out there. Looks like it's got a storm out or something, you know? Yeah, man. Oh my gosh, look at that plane. Don't you think that's pretty low, Dad? Yeah, but you know what, Junior? I think it's time to go now. Wait, what? Yeah, come on. Oh, I don't want to know. Oh, you know what? Let's go. Yeah, come on, let's go. We don't want to stop with this. But what about the eclipse book? We got enough of it, alright? Let's go. Come on, we're not supposed to avoid the dark light. Come on, let's go. Alright, I guess that's enough of the eclipse. Yeah, let's go. Alright, let's go, everybody. Yeah. Here, turn it out. Alright, let's see you guys later, I guess. Yeah, come on. Alright, bye.
Stupid thing never turns where I need it to. Okay, stop it.
Guess what? We're back home, everybody. You know why? So we decided to go back home from Crow's Woods. So I was able to get some of the eclipse. So there's the glasses. I was covering the camera lens so, you know, I don't wreck it. Right, Junior? Yeah, right, Dad. Yeah, so we were catching the eclipse as good as we could. And, yeah, it might not be perfect, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And, yeah.
I see that a lot. Just to let you know.
Yeah, you know what? I'm going to sit out here as well. Alright, well, I'm going to take the camera inside with me, okay? And I'm going to take these inside as well. Alright, so you guys enjoy yourselves. Yeah, it looks like it's going to rain now. These clouds. Oh, no, I see some blue. But they're not in the sun, of course. Of course, they have to be covered in the sun. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait. I think it's coming.
Really? Oh, there it is.
Come on, where is it? Alright then. Come on, man. You know what? Give me a second. Hold on.
See, there it is again. Oh, what is that, me? You know, me and Grandpa? Yeah, I believe so.
Hey, so I heard you guys saw the eclipse. That's right, Grandpa, we did. We're the one losers trying to kill us, man. What are you doing? I'm gonna judge you on it. Well, here, put these glasses on. Wait, what? Put up. Well, now you can't see my face. Yeah, now everything looks so dark. I can't see it. Did you see that? Like, why are you putting the glasses on the camera lens? Well, the reason we're doing that is because, well, you see, so that we can catch the sun safely, because we heard that, you know, you can't. God damn it. You know what? Hey, don't you just destroy this. Like, we did that because, well, because what? Spit it out, man. Well, because so it doesn't, the sun doesn't destroy or hurt the lens in any way, okay? So that's why we put the sunglasses, so it's safe to film the sun, you know, and we also had to cover our eyes. Use the camera to cover our eyes. Alright, now you're just saying too much, alright? Man. Wait. Oh crap, we left that pinhole camera, I think, in the car. Or did I? Well, let me check inside for a minute. I'm gonna go check. Well, the just got empty. Let's go outside for a minute. Here's your thing going. Alright. So is this the stage that you were talking about? Yeah, that's the stage that we were talking about. Well, I'm gonna go test it out. Well, I don't know if you'll be able to see it now. Well, I'm gonna give it a try anyway. Well, where's the sun? Where is it? Man, you know what? That thing doesn't work. This thing obviously doesn't work. Well, I told you can't say that. Well, wait, what are you? Are you saying me right now? Oh, yeah, it's Star Trap. Star Trap. There's no time to go bother. We're just gonna relax out here. Yeah, just go inside now. You know what? Fine. Now I'm gonna go inside. Well, that's good like me. Well, let's go like me too. Let's go like me too. That sounded weird. You're weird. Well, you're weirder. Yo, this is just getting ridiculous right now. Yeah, it is. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I know it wasn't much, but you know what? We're gonna go now. So yeah, this is me, Bowser, and Bowser Jr. signing out. Alright, so, yeah. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I hope you saw the eclipse in South Carolina, because that's where it mostly happens, alright? Alright, I'm turning this thing off before it turns off by itself inconveniently. Yeah, goodbye. Again, goodbye. Alright, now I'm done. So just so you guys know, it looks like the moon is moving away from the sun. And of course, something's going to be blocking the way, of course. Crap, hold on. Why are you still filming? Oh, I just want to film it. It looks like the moon is moving away from the sun, so that's why I'm still filming. Well, I mean, the camera, I think you're charging the batteries, I know, but I just wanted to catch this one thing. Alright, you know, I'm going to tap this. Alright, fine then. Well, do it. Alright, then we will. Let's do it. Where are you going? Well, we have to do our train watching thing, so I'm taking these glasses with me just in case the sun comes back up and to see whether or not the moon's passed by the sun completely. So, yeah, we're going to go out now, okay? So, here, let me sit down there. Alright, well, hopefully you get a good glimpse of it. Yeah, I tried to...
I'm gonna stop this camera when this clip is done.
Not so much luck, especially with the clouds. Yeah, alright, well, there's not much to talk now. Come on, let's go. We hope you enjoyed the video so far, but I'm gonna turn this off and see if maybe we'll be able to see the sun, the moon, whether or not the moon will pass by the sun or not. Alright, so, yeah. We'll see you. I'll see you guys when I get over there. Maybe the clouds will pass by, maybe not. See ya.
Hey, let me stop here for a minute. This is where the unexpected happens. Let me just show you, alright? It's basically where my camera went off unexpectedly. So let me show you now.
Just a little update. I think the moon is completely passed by from the sun, alright? I'm going to try to see if I can film it again just one last time. Although I have to charge these batteries up. I wasn't able to catch the trains too much. That's where I'm at right now. Get this out of here! Yeah, so I'm a little bit pissed off right now. It's just everything's happening. See you guys back at home, alright? Bye.
I think that's when the moon completely passed by the sun.
Oh, there it is. There's the sun, everybody. See, I'm covering lens. Well, guess what? I'm not. These are on. See? Alright. So, seriously, so to give you guys an update, yeah, the moon's done, alright? It's gone. It's away from the sun for good. You won't be able to see it again until 2090, so I'm sorry if I rushed it before.
Or 2024.
Was really running low, and it was running low now. I didn't let it charge all the way. I just want to let you guys know. Just want to catch it to make sure. So, yeah. Did you guys enjoy it? Yeah, we enjoyed it. But we're going to go inside now. Well, no, I'm going to go inside now. Well, really? Why? Because I am. Alright, so you know what? I'm done. I'm done. I just need a minute to myself. Right? Done. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's go back inside before this turns off immediately. Alright. Turn it off. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah. So, yeah. That's Badger Jr. signing off. Yeah. Alright. Now, for real. Goodbye. Let's go. Alright. Guys, I'm truly sorry for breaking out before. I'm in a new place right now, as you can see. I'm close to the station. And, you know, before, I was like way far away. I was doing stream watching and I was freaking out a little bit. But I got mad because the camera went off very inconveniently. And people were wanting to talk to me, and they said my name, my real name, I should say, and I didn't want that out there, really, too much. Although I do say that it is short for Billy, because I guess you can say that Will is short for Billy, so yeah, I prefer to be called Billy, but people call me Will, but you know, I'm not even gonna go there. Oh boy, looks like maybe a storm coming, but we'll see what happens. Sorry, if it happens, maybe I'll film it, but if not, you know what, goodbye.
Oh yeah, 2-train race. I'm gonna catch this whole thing. Is that really part of the eclipse video, man? Don't distract me. Anyway, what did you say, Grandpa? Well, I said, is that really gonna be part of the eclipse video? Well, yeah. I want to get as much as I can. I don't want it just to be the eclipse. I mean, yeah, it's mostly gonna be the eclipse. It should be mostly the eclipse, but I just want to get other things too. Okay. All right. Now, can you stop interrupting me? Well, you know what? Fine then. Now I have to restart the whole thing. Well, not the whole thing. You know what? You get the idea. Fine then. Restart the thing. Restart it. Yeah, I will. We're just right now. All right now. You know what? Hold on a second. No, what are you doing, man? This is me. Righty hand coming out. You know what? You need to. You need to be quiet. You need to go. Well, I need to go, man. I have a reason to be up here. No, you don't. I have a reason to be up here. Get out of my face. Back off, man. Back off. Stop this. This is just crap. Sorry for shaking the camera. Not this camera, yeah, that camera I was filming that.
Alright, it's like 5:30 or 4 right now, and yeah, back over here again, just doing that. Oh, wait. Sort of out of nowhere. But anyways, yeah, so back over here again, thinking it might be a storm. It might still be possible, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen, so no, you know, I'm getting off track. No, but seriously I am. But But anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. This is really officially. This is still added to the solar eclipse video. I know it's really long, and I know I'm adding a lot, but I just think like something might happen. And if it does, which it might, I'll film it. Just a little bit though, not the whole thing. But I mean, yeah. So that's basically what I have to say. So, you know what? This has been it. Alright, seriously. I know we've been doing that a lot, but you know what? This is it. Unless the storm comes. But you know what? Goodbye.
Or like,
seriously.
you know, showing on the news.
See you guys later.
It went off by itself, and I did not do that. Let me stop for a minute. What the hell is he doing here? Yeah, really, why am I doing here? I need you to get him out of here. He's being a problem. Me? You're the one that's being a goddamn problem. Let me tell you what I'm gonna do. You know what, sir? If you want to go, he wants you gone. I'm not going anywhere. I'm sorry. You heard me. I'm not going anywhere. You're going. No. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not. Don't touch me like that. No, come on. Come on. No, man. Not this crap. Help. Help. He's choking me. Help. Get off of me. Get your goddamn hands off of me. Get off. Come on, sir. Come on. No, get your goddamn hands off me. Why are you talking like that? You're supposed to be Donald Duck, right? Yeah, so. Why are you talking like that? And I thought you were going to do the goddamn solar eclipse videos. Well, he just told me that you were having problems, so. Whoa, he was having. You know what? Just get down there. Actually, I was supposed to throw you out. Wait, what? No, you're not. You better get out of here. No, you better get out of here because I'm bigger than you. Oh, really? So that makes you stronger? Huh? Look, you want to test it? Get off of me, man. Get off of me, man. Listen, man. I'm not gonna take it. All right? You understand me? Come on. No, man. I'm not going down anywhere. Get your goddamn hands off of me. Get your goddamn. I've heard about you, buddy. Get your goddamn hands off of me. Get your goddamn hands off me. You're coming with me. No! 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 Ow, he is stronger than he looks. Yeah, that's right. Don't mess with me. How about that, huh? What, man? I had enough of you. Hey, don't touch me. Don't. I'm gonna close the door now. Alright, now to finish off those videos. Sorry about that, everybody. Fucking shit.
Extraordinary moment there. The spectacle landing in city after city.
Here's how dark it got during the eclipse in some places.
Carbondale, Illinois. But Carbondale, which should have had 2 minutes and 41 seconds of darkness, was darkened by something else.
Uh-oh.
Clouds. You guys have brought us into the drama. You've got 45 seconds there. It all depends on the weather system above you.
Yep, that's right.
Right there in the last 5 seconds. Something else emerges in the sky.
And we can see Venus at this point here in Kelly, Kentucky.
love the fact that you can see Venus.
That's the whole full eclipse.
Stepping out of the lighthouse to watch. Finally, the last major stop for the Great American Eclipse, Charleston, South Carolina.
This is where Pickle Boy drew his meltdown because he missed it.
You know, it really puts us in our place as far as our role in the cosmos, doesn't it? The fact that...
So this is where Michael lives, and they get the eclipse.
Yeah, and Michael threw a huge tantrum about it, let's just say. Another person who should flip out on is Angry Grandpa. Not saying that he should go against him, but I'm saying like...
So guys, that's the eclipse, everybody. That's the eclipse in all the places where they got the full eclipse. And
Sorry about that. I think it was one of those moments where the camera just went off unexpectedly, like because of the low battery.
alright, everybody. So here's all the places where people got to see the solar eclipse fully. Hold on. This now. Oh, here it is. It was completely dark in that place. I don't know what place that is in. And here's all the places where people got to see the full amount of the eclipse. Here. I just wait for it. There it is.
Yeah, it may not be 100% perfect.
That one I consider the best one out of all the pictures. But yeah, that's pretty much all the places I got to see the total eclipse. So yeah. Well, anyways, this is officially it now. I know I said it before so many other times, but this is officially it. So I hope you enjoyed the 2017 eclipse, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, now goodbye.
Alright, goodbye as well. I had to turn on the light eventually. I told you to come out. I'm not going anywhere with you, man. Well, why do you have to kick me out, alright, really? Hey, dude, are we going to talk about the time when Pickle Boy kind of flipped out, you know, because you missed it? Oh, yeah, man, he flipped out. You flip all the time, man, from what I already know because it's in my memory somehow. Wait, what? And also, I know that you have a YouTube channel called The Angry Grandpa Show. Well, yeah, so what about it? So you're done with me. Of all the stuff I've seen. No, man, come on. This is bull, man. You're supposed to leave me alone. Leave me alone, man. Go. Can you tell him to go? Keep on getting him. No. Hey, no. Get away. Get away from me. Get away from me, man. Get away. Oh, come on. Goddamn. Get your goddamn hands off me. Get your goddamn hands off. You goddamn. Ow, crap, you idiot. Man, that guy can't even do it the right way. Oh, yeah? Get off of me, man. Okay, why do you keep pushing me? Because I want you out of here, man. This is it. Goodbye. No, man, get your hands on you. Get up here. And also, why is your voice deep, alright? Like, why are you talking like a tough guy? It's just how I got a voice transplant, okay? I couldn't stand the other voice, and I don't think anybody else could, so I had to get a voice transplant. Well, are you gonna leave now? Not without you, but hey! God damn, God. Okay, you know what? This is officially it now. I'm sorry about that. It kind of got a little bit violent. You know what? I'm done. Hope you enjoyed the video, everybody. These are people in South Carolina. Well, not even. You know what? Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Come on, let's go. See ya.